Hey, so I'm going to show you how to upload a YouTube video to your channel. So first, let's make sure that you are actually logged in to your account. If you're not, you could do switch account and then you'll be able to select it. And I have access to a few here just from what I do. So I'm in my account. And then you could click that button right there to upload a video. If you're looking to access your videos and you want to go over to YouTube Studio, and that's just going to show you your channel dashboard. And then you can go to videos to see all your videos. And once again, I'm going to go ahead and click create a video. And I'm going to click upload video. And then I'm just going to drag the video that I've created here. You're going to want yours to be public if it's a product video. In this case, this one is actually a tutorial for some of my clients. So I keep it as unlisted. That just means that you can see it, but you can't search for it. But all the other settings are exactly the same for whether it's public or unlisted. I'm just showing you as unlisted. So right here, there's the title, here's the description. In the description, if this was a video for one of my products, this is where I would put the link to the actual product. In this case, it's just, this is how to create a tag it. So if this was a product, you might want to tag it with the grade level or like writing or reading or whatever. In this case, mine would be like Divi Overlays, WordPress, newsletter, something like that. In my case, the tags don't matter because it's actually a unlisted video. Wait for a few minutes and that will upload. When it's done, you'll be able to fix it. If you want to use a thumbnail, you can use one that it found. I don't like any of this. I'm going to go ahead and upload one. So there we go. There's that. You can add it to a playlist right here. Like let's say you had a product series. You might want to have a playlist about the product series. You might have one for just your store. If you want to premiere it, you can read more about that. It's not available for unlisted videos. Basically, it just like schedules it and sends it out to your subscribers. That's not something I actually use at this time. So I'm going to click done. And once it's done, then you have your share a link and you can go to YouTube Studio. There's your channel dashboard. You can go to videos. You can go to analytics and comments and stuff. If you want to edit a video, like let's say that I wanted to edit this video that I did for my client Beth, and I wanted to add a description, I can literally come in here and go, this is how Beth can use the custom templates for her website. I can change the title. I can even change the thumbnail here. I haven't added a thumbnail. You can add a tag again. I don't worry about adding tags for unlisted videos. I'm gonna go ahead and click save. And then I'm gonna show you one more thing for the video that I just did that you can't do when you upload, because I don't need to add cards to this. So here's my Divi Overlays. I can come in here and I can do an end screen and I can do cards. You can learn more about end screens by clicking here. For right now, I'm gonna go ahead and do subscribe to my channel. I clearly need to add a picture. You can move that around wherever you want. And if you want to have it just on the last few seconds, you can drag it there. And the link, you have to have, I think, like 100 or 1,000 subscribers. So you can't do a link yet. And you could choose a video to promote. So maybe I'll do that one. And I'm just going to stick it down here. And I'm just going to do it real subtle because I don't want to interfere with my tutorial here. Now I'm going to click save. And so now at the end of my video, I'll sit there and just live happily. I'm going to go ahead and you'll see that I can subscribe so that it matches her. And then it shows me another video. Website. All changes are saved there.
This tutorial is how to use Divi Overlay.
And then the cards are kind of the same thing. You can promote a video. You could do a poll. You could promote another channel. You could do stuff like that. I don't do a lot of cards. I usually just do something kind of at the end and kind of call it a day. This would be really cool if, let's say that you created a video, but then you updated that video and you wanted to be like, hey, don't watch this one, watch another. Then you could promote another video that was just updated. So that's what I would use that for. So honestly, really, that's just about it. If you have changes you need to save, just make sure you save them.